Hello everyone. In today's class, we will be discussing how to find factors of a number. So before going to a Java program directly, first we'll see examples, right? So if I want to find what are the factors of one, okay? What are the factors of two, one and two? I think might be you already aware how it is a factor. Suppose if it is exactly divisible by that number, right? So suppose 2 modulus 1, we'll get a if remainder is 0, we will decide that that is a factor, right? So if 2 modulus 2, we will get a 0. So for 2, 1 and 2 are the factors. For 3, what are the factors? 1 and 3. For 4, what are the factors? 1, comma 2, comma 4. For 6, what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the factors, correct? So now let me write a Java program, then I'll explain you the logic, how to find the factors of a number. So let's take a Eclipse and here I'm creating a simple Java program. Class, let's say class name is factors demo. So just I'm giving a n1 variable, which means I want to find out factors of 6 here. That is my input, n number. I can use either while loop or do while loop or for loop. Okay. So this example I'm using for loop to find a factors of a given number. For int I equals to 1, I less than or equal to till that number, I plus plus. Okay. Here I'm just using one if condition to check, right? If that number divided by, right, I, if is equal to double equal to 0, then only I can tell that is a factor. I can print that number. That's it. This is the simple logic. Okay. So even these braces are not required after if condition. We have only one system.out.println. We can remove this braces also, not required. That's fine. Now let me explain you the logic. First, if I run this program, we got it right. 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay. Now let me explain you the output here. Okay. First, for int I equals to 1. First step I equals to 1. Then it will go to condition, right? I less than or equal to n. So that is 1 less than or equal to 6. The condition is true. If condition is true, then it will go to inside a for loop. Correct? Here we have a if condition. What is if condition? If n modulus I double equal to 0. Okay. So what is n value? 6. Modulus I value how much? 1. Double equal to 0. So the output is 0, right? So 0 double equal to 0. Condition is true. So we are printing a 1 here. Okay. Just my output I am printing here. First one will be displayed. This is the first step. Correct. Next step is I becomes how much? 2. Now I equals to 2. 2 less than or equal to 6. Condition is true. Again, if condition. If n modulus I double equal to 0. So what is n value? 6. Modulus I value how much? 2. Double equal to 0. So condition is true. Okay. Sorry, here also it is true. So if condition is true, let's print 2 also. Correct. Next, I value how much? Again, I plus plus, right? Next, I value is 3. Now, 3 less than or equal to 6. Condition is true. If n modulus I equal to 0, that means 6 modulus I value how much? 3 double equal to 0. Condition is again true, means let's print 3 also. Right? Next again, I equals to 4. 4 less than or equal to 6. Condition is true. Here, if n modulus I double equal to 0, what is the n value? 6 modulus I value how much? 4 double equal to 0. Here condition is false, right? So 4 will not print here. Correct. Next step is I equals to 5. 5 less than or equal to 6. Again, condition is true here, but here again n modulus I double equal to 0. That is 6 modulus 5 double equal to 0. Now condition is again false, right? So 5 will not print here. Correct. Next again, now I plus plus, which means 6 less than or equal to 6. Condition is true if 6 modulus how much? 6. Okay. Okay. First let me put a variable n divided by I double equal to 0. Which means 6 modulus 6 double equal to 0. Condition is true, right? So let's print 6 here. Whenever here I is 6, right? Next, whenever I becomes 7, now 7 less than or equal to 6. Here itself condition is false. So whenever this condition is false, it will completely come out of this loop. This is how we'll find it. So the final output is 1, 2, 3, 6. This is the output. This is the program to find out factors of a given number. Thanks for watching this video.